Okay guys, I got some yarn from HOBBII. So HOBBII unboxing, here we go. So let me put all these down here so that I can have room to open them. All right, here we go. So this haul, this time, I'm making a cotton order. I love cotton. Those of you that know me know I love my cotton. So I ordered HOBBII Solid. Now, it is so soft, but this is, the color is everything I expected. It says on here that it is a number 4. Okay. It is 100 grams. It is 100% cotton. It is 100 grams. It's 210 meters or 229 yards per cake. But this is not a 4. Look, that's not a 4. That's not a 4. I would not call this a worsted weight or an Aran weight at all. It's luxurious though. It is 100% Pima cotton. It is, it says use a 5mm hook on it. It's a beautiful cotton, but just beware that this is not a worsted weight yarn. Okay. I would call this even a small 3. But it is pretty. I certainly ordered a lot of this. Okay, so I bought 12 of these. They're all in here. I'm not going to pull them all out because I have a project in mind for these. It is nice. Now, if you want good cotton, this is it. This is good cotton. I wouldn't call this a 4. Not for a minute. Okay, so that means all of my cotton is not going to be a 4. Okay. Oh, look at this color, y'all. Oh my gosh, same thing, y'all. This is that same HOBBII Solid. I did get, I don't know which bag it's going to be. I got self-striping. This changes what I'm going to do, but it is beautiful, y'all. So here, all I did was buy lots of cotton this trip, okay? I bought this one. How do I open it? Okay, right here. I open it the same way as the other one. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this one's unwrapped. Beautiful. I mean, I can't complain with the color and the texture and the The quality of the yarn is amazing. Again, not a 4. That's my only, maybe they need to relabel that, because it's not a 4. Not a 4. I'm not unhappy, but I'm not ecstatic either, y'all, because let me stack these over here. Because this is good quality. All right, let me open this up. I'm going to assume this one is my, here we go. Here we go, right here. Right here. I need to fold that over so I don't show my address. Oh my goodness, I love, oh my goodness. I actually love this color so much. Oh, wow. It is so pretty. Look at this. Same one, except this is still Fruta, but this is Fruta, it's colored, obviously. Striped. I'm assuming it's striped. It's going to be self-striping when I saw it. Anyway, I had a project in mind for this, and I think I can still do it, even though this isn't a true 4. Oh, I am loving it. I am loving it. It's so soft, y'all. I mean, if you know, if you want cotton from HOBBII, know that their Fruta 100% Pima cotton by HOBBII is this size. Whatever you consider it, I do not consider this a 4. If you consider it a 4, well, but this is the size it is. And you can make something beautiful. I think I can still do my my project. I think I can. It's gonna be pretty. It's gonna be pretty. I'm so excited. And y'all, HOBBII is so great. It's one of my favorite places to shop for my yarn, because when you do, most of the time you get a gift to purchase. And look what I got. Oh my goodness. I knew I was getting a good bit because this was, I broke it up. So I actually, all this, a gift for purchase. For spending X amount of money, you get a gift. So once you get to that point, and your gift changes as you go higher in money, and I think there's a cap. But look at all this yarn. Okay, so let me see. We have, this is the same, this is the same, this is the same. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the same. And these are We Love Yarn. Ooh, I can tell it's acrylic. So let's see, what is it? What is it? What is it? 100% acrylic, 50 grams, 150 meters or 164 yards. They're calling this, let's see, where is it? Oh, they're calling it a 4. I'm not going to say this is a 4. I'm going to say it's a 3. 3 weight. This is a DK weight for sure. They say use a 5.5 millimeter hook, 4.4 knitting needles. It's nice. It's nice. It's a nice, soft acrylic. So it's a good quality. It's a good quality. I wished I would have gotten more of one color. I had 2 of these. Small projects, which those that know me, I don't do small projects that much. But we'll see. Okay, so this next. What is this? This is Umami. Umami. Maybe? Okay, if I'm saying that right. If not, I'm sorry, HOBBII. We love you anyway. 78% premium acrylic, 22% wool. This is a size 6. I will definitely agree with that. 10 millimeter hook, 9 millimeter needles, 150 grams, 83 meters or 90 yards in here in this skein. Very nice. With it being that 22% wool, you can definitely tell, but it's beautiful and such a beautiful color. Okay, so let's see what else we have. This is HOBBII Daily Stitch. This looks like a 3 as well. 100% acrylic, and it's called acrylic. 100 grams, 350 meters, 382 yards. Says use a 5 millimeter hook. They're calling it a 3. Okay, it's a 3. I agree. It's a 3. Nice. It's nice. This, I don't know if they do this to encourage you to, like give you examples of what they have, or if these are discontinued. I'm not sure, but I would definitely buy more of this. At how many yards again? 382 yards. Yes, I would buy that, having a project in mind. Same with this one. This one's a little bigger of a 3, but not quite a 4, I don't think. Let's see what they call it. This is, oh, let me say, Black Friday acrylic by HOBBII. And this is 100% acrylic, 100 grams, 360 meters, 393 yards. They consider it a 3. Okay, I'm agreeing with that. 5 millimeter hook, 4 millimeter needles. Wow, yeah. Okay, colorway 14. I haven't been telling you the colorways. Okay, this, let's look at this. This is Fluffy Day HOBBII. This feels like cotton. Ooh, okay, this. All right, this is Fluffy Day cotton, 100% acrylic. 100 grams, 285 meters, 312 yards. They're considering it a 4. I'm going to agree with that. That's a 4. 6 millimeter hook, 5 millimeter needles. I don't know if I said that already. Nice. Color 17. Nice. Okay. This is what I want to see. This has got cotton in it. Let's see. This is called, let's look at it. Acacia is the only thing I can come up with. HOBBII. Okay. It is 100 grams, 250 meters, 273 yards. It's 51% acrylic, 49% cotton. I knew it had to have cotton in it. It is a 3. Okay, so I will almost agree with that. Yeah, it's a small 3, but it's a 3. I would say that that's a 3. I could agree with that, but like I said, it's a small 3. Did they say this was a 3, right? No, they're saying this is a 4. So they're saying this is a 3. This is a little smaller than a 3. I would say this is a very small 3, or maybe even getting close to a 2. Okay. But nice. Very nice. You could definitely make a doily with this, or a pair of socks, or even a blanket with it. It'd take you a little while, but even a blanket. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and these two look alike. Let's see. Throw my hooks around. These two are alike. Amiga Chunky by HOBBII. Okay. So they're saying this is a 5. I'm going to agree with that. That's a 5. wouldn't you say? That's a 5, yeah. Okay. This is 100% acrylic. Ooh, it feels so soft for acrylic. Wow, nice. Might have to get some more of this. 100 grams, 100 meters, and 109 yards. It suggests a 9mm hook, a 7mm needle, and wait, I could say the colorway of this is a 3 and this is a 1. I think that's what I saw on it. Yeah, a 1. So a 1 and a 3. Wow. So these are all that I got from HOBBII because I purchased from them. So, yep, that was my haul, y'all. And this was my gift, and I am so pleased. Still my favorite place to buy yarn. But come on, HOBBII. Let's make those sizes a little better because my cotton is not quite the size I needed. Otherwise, I love y'all, and I will still find y'all one of my favorites to buy yarn from. Okay, that is it. That's my haul from HOBBII. Bye, y'all. See you next time.